This facility represents the cutting edge of gold extraction, processing tons of ore every hour.
The heartbeat of the operation, a testament to the scale of human ambition.
Following the blast, the heavy machinery moves in with surgical precision to collect the liberated gold ore.
Weighing over 500 tons when fully loaded, these vehicles are the backbone of the operation, moving the earth that holds the precious gold.
Fully loaded, this vehicle is transporting millions of dollars worth of raw gold ore out of the deep pit mine.
The intricate veins of pure metallic gold shimmer brightly against the rough texture of the quartz, revealing the raw beauty of the ore.
This state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of tons of gold-bearing ore every day.
This vibrating carbon screen separates the fine gold particles from the larger activated carbon granules, a crucial step in the refining process.
Here in the electrowinning room, the process completes. Pure metallic gold, refined to 5/9, is deposited directly from the solution onto the cathodes.
The cathode plate reveals the freshly deposited metallic gold, characterized by its rough, dendritic, and sponge-like topography.
This is crude gold door, an alloy of gold and silver. The rough, dark slag on the outside protects
Bay 2 is secure. All shipments accounted for. Proceed with closing.
the refined gold, now in its final form, departs the facility under maximum security, concluding the transit.
Gold doré bars, solid, dense metal blocks rich in gold, are prepared for remelting.
As the chlorine gas is introduced, the molten surface begins to churn violently, initiating the crucial purification phase of the Miller process.
Observe the remarkable density of the gold coating, applied with atomic layer precision to ensure maximum conductivity.
Subscribe to this channel